to sign into eBay and find your watch list. Hi everybody, welcome back. In order to sign into your eBay and find your watch list, what you need is you could simply install the app or use the web version as well. So if you're using the app, you might want to make sure to install it. So just go ahead and type in eBay on the search bar and install the app. In this video, I'm going to use the web version. So I'm just going to go ahead and exit out, open up the browser, type in eBay. This is going to be the same thing for the mobile app as well as the web version. So if you are using the web version, simply tap onto the very first link that pops up. There you go. Yeah, these very filled. Now tap onto this profile at the very top right corner of the screen. You will then be asked to either go ahead and create your account, maybe use your email, maybe continue with Facebook, Google, Apple, all this. Select one of these methods. And if you're using the email, just type in your email, and as you could see, it's going to ask me for a biometric authentication, and I will be logged into my account. As soon as you're logged into your account, you will then be directed to the very home page. So I'm just going to go ahead and verify it quickly as well. So here you go, I'm logged in and this is the very home page. So in the left hand side corner, you could see watch list. You just have to go ahead and select that out, and this is where you can find your watch list. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.